Hey guys, today one more interesting video, and in this video I'll provide you information if you are traveling in Copenhagen, Denmark. So this video is very important for you. In this video I'll provide you information how to buy Tivoli Garden tickets. This is one of the famous tourist attraction located on Copenhagen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Traveling Rock. So let's start as a mobile screen. So how to buy ticket without surfing any kind of website? You just simply download the application, and application available Android and iOS also. So this is a Tivoli Garden application. Here a lot of informations are available. You just simply press a shop button. Inside the shop button several options are available here. Today is the 31st of December, that's why I am purchasing one ticket here. So look at this here, entrance ticket 145 Danish krona. I click here and look at this here, two criteria is there, 8-year plus 145 Danish krona and 3 to 7 year old 65 Danish krona. I go with that, and today is a Saturday, so I click here. Saturday and Sunday ticket price is a greater than compared to Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday is 145, Saturday and Sunday 155. I just simply buy here. How many ticket required? I need 2 ticket because of me and my wife. Go to the basket. Inside the basket, accept this one, and this ticket is valid just only one day. If you enter the Saturday, it's okay, otherwise you can use this ticket Sunday. Accept. Mobile pay or Paytm. You can purchase this ticket using mobile pay if you are living in Denmark, so mobile pay is okay. Otherwise you can add here your card, credit card, debit card, which types of card you are using. So I type here my debit card, credit card related information, and just simply submit now. Wait couple of seconds. If you want save the card, you can save, otherwise skip it. I don't want save. I am receiving the OTP. Yeah, again wait couple of seconds. Yeah, my ticket is purchased around 41.89 euro for 2 person, and I use this ticket today. Today is 31st of December. It's very simple. You can buy Tivoli Garden ticket using this application. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.